Namaste. We are going to do practice that will help you building your vinyasa. First of all, stretch your legs out and bend them. Bring the hands by the side. Then lift your legs up and stretch them. Bending the legs, stretching the legs. That will build the core which uses the most for vinyasa. You can do about 5 to up to 20 times. Bending the leg and stretching the legs. Bending, stretching. Trying to keep your chest upright, straight. The higher your chest, the better. Then go into downward dog. And bring your knee close to your arm, and you are jumping using your core. So you are inhaling, holding the breath and jumping. Coming down very slowly, controlling as much you can. So each time you can see I'm becoming slower and slower to come down. And once you conquer that, you can go into any arm balancing. You can easily do vinyasa. Come down. Sit in Vajrasana. And then go into cat. So bringing your right hand, left leg up. Down. Left hand, right leg up. Down. Right hand, left leg up. Down. Left hand, right leg up. Down. Right hand, left leg up. Down. Left hand, right leg up. Down. And then right arm up, left leg out, and as you exhale, bend your knee and elbow, try touch. Inhale out. Exhale, touch your elbow to the knee. Inhale out. Exhale, touch, and release. Changing the side. Left arm, right leg up, touching the elbow to the knee. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, touch. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, touch. And inhale, stretch. Down. And then go into plank. Body in a straight line. Then bring your elbows on the ground and go back into upper plank. Elbow down, plank, elbows down, plank, elbows down, plank, elbows down, plank, elbows down, back to plank. Stay in the plank, body in a straight line. Then keep your hand on the ground and trying to lift the leg using your abdomen without jumping. So you are not lifting the leg by legs but using your core. So putting the hand on the ground, using the core and pushing your hands and core until your legs lift up. And do that also 5-10 times. And then go into child pose. Sit up. This is the practice that will help you building your vinyasa. So if you are struggling how to build your vinyasa, how you can flow, practice this, and in about 10 days you should see a good result. So thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Namaste.